So please you share.
Okay, sir. Is the screen visible?
Yeah, screen is visible now.
Okay. So shall I directly go to the data table section?
Yeah.
Yeah, here. Sorry, sir.
Not at all.
So your voice is breaking. I'm not able to hear you clearly.
Yes, I find.
Okay.
Now, descriptive statistics that you have written, mean, standard deviation, and N is basically 47, right?
Yes, sir.
So, and you have written gender is 1.26. Okay, that will not be appropriate. So gender
Okay.
will be the frequency. Age will be 34.68, that is okay. And total score is 18.46 with SD 3.68. And 5 items are there basically.
Yes, sir.
So it is less than 4.
Where, sir?
Because total score is 18.46. That means it is less than 4 because 5 items are there. So 18.47 by 5.
So, like, do I need to write it like this?
Oh, you are writing.
So I thought you were asking me to correct those parts, so that is why I was writing.
I am just interpreting your data.
Oh, okay. I thought you were asking me to correct those things. Okay.
Now, here you have to incorporate 2 things. Okay. One
Okay.
is the mean, standard deviation, and the correlation matrix. So gender, age will not be there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Age is 34.68 and 9.57. But there is no correlation between your age and the emotional control value.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means this is very common across all the ages. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And whatever you have written, there will be the only one table.
Which one, sir?
These two
This one?
tables will be these 2 tables will be merged, and you have written significance level, and that will not be there. I think I can request Farah. Farah, are you here? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Farah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me show them.
Can you share the format?
Yes, sir.
Please you share the format so that Dhanushi and others can understand how to
Okay, so
write.
can I stop sharing my screen?
Yeah. You follow. That is a standard style for presenting the descriptive statistics. Okay. Farah, you have not added the total.
So total is here, sir.
So each item correlation with the total score.
Okay.
That you have to add.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So Dhanushi, now you follow. First one is the serial number. Second one is the variable. Variable
Yes,
means the items. So
Hmm.
5 items are there. You are using the phrase instead of the full
The
step.
entire sentence. Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. Next is the mean. And next is the standard deviation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And after that, there will be the correlation matrix. Acha, Farah, it will be 1.00. Not 1. 1.00. No, you have to modify the cell so that it will be 1.00. You have to modify the cell. Right click. You click from 1 to this KLMNOP. KLMNOP. All the 4 columns, 5 columns. Up to P6 columns. Then right click. Then you click the format cells. Then you click number. Yeah. Then you click 1. Sorry, OK. Don't touch it. You click OK. Yeah. Now it comes. Okay. So you have to change the settings. Okay. Now, so this is your mean. Okay, Dhanushi.
Yes, sir.
And you will find that is the teachers, they have difficulty in management of emotion. And that is the
Yes, sir.
3.36. But they can understand the emotion.
Hmm.
Okay, so they are giving priority on understanding the emotion, regulating emotion, and they are thinking that is, I should be calm during the stressful condition. But
Okay.
they are giving little value on the management of emotion. Possibly they are not aware about how to manage the emotion.
Hmm.
Okay, so that is the interpretation of your result.
So both calm and composed will also be included in the poor
No, it is
emotional control value, no?
3.72. 3.7. Highest is
Okay.
the 3.89.
8, 9.
Yeah, so that is
Yes.
3.9.
Okay.
That means understanding the emotion, teachers assign more value.
Okay, sir.
But how to manage the emotion, possibly this is not clear to the teachers. So for the teacher training, you can pay attention to this particular area.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And this total, Farah has not added the total. So if Farah will add, then you can get this result.
Okay, sir. Of all the items.
Yeah, this last column is there 6
Hmm.
and it is written total. And after that, in the matrix, there are no values. So if you find the values, then you will be able to interpret the data as well as to make plan for the college teachers.
Okay. So I have this one doubt. I mean I've not made a table like this before. So could you please help me how to read that table, like till SD part I got, but later on when the items are there, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, because it is a serial number is there. Serial number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Okay. So, Farah,
Yes, sir.
so, have you got the result?
Sir, the result is
That is
here,
the
sir.
total score. Okay, yeah. So that is the 0.79. You can write down 0.79, 0.53, 0.79, 0.53, 0.74, and then 0.80. After that, 0.84. Okay. So, and after that, 1. 1.00. Acha. This mean SD, after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there also the 0.00. So that is the serial number. So 00 will not be there.
So how do you read this thing diagonally, the entire numbers from serial number 1 to 5?
1 sec. I have to finish this one. No,
Oh, okay, okay.
you select this area. No, not this. Only this. Only these cells. And then right click. Then you click the format cells. Then general. Yeah, then okay. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So based upon this table, you can interpret your data. Okay. Now, Dhanush, you can ask me any question.
Yes, sir. So I was saying that I have understood till the standard deviation wala row, but from the serial number 1 to 5. So how do you read the table for the items after standard deviation?
Oh, That is the correlation matrix. So this is the correlation.
So for
Whether
calm
the
and com
five items are there, are they interrelated with each other or not? If they are interrelated with each other, that means it will improve the content validity. It
okay.
indicates the good content validity because all the items are interrelated with each other.
Okay, got it, sir.
And here is the most important part that is missing. That is the probability level. So if it is significant at
0.01.
0.05, then it will be the single star. If it
Okay,
is significant at 0.01, then it will be the double star.
double star.
Yeah. Now if you show me your data, then I can tell you that is whether the items are significantly correlated at the 0.05 level or 0.01 level.
Okay, sir. So shall I share my screen, sir?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you were
here
saying
you
that
can
I
find out. Yeah, here you can find out the correlation. Okay, and you will find that is the double star is
yes,
there,
sir.
and sometimes single star is also there.
Okay, sir. So, sir, while interpreting, I only need to interpret the total item correlation part, or for example, in healthy coping, there is significant result is showing 0.525.
Yeah, you have to interpret your data based upon the descriptive statistics, that is the mean and standard deviation, as well as the correlation. Correlation means two correlations are there. One is the inter-item correlation, another one is the item total correlation.
Okay. So, sir, just for example, let's take the first item, that is calm and composed
Yeah, calm and
and
composed.
healthy coping. So those who are calm and composed are coping healthily. Can we interpret it in that way?
Yeah, definitely, because they are
And
correlated. But this correlation very high in case of the regulating emotion
yes, sir. Understanding and
and
regulating
understanding
emotion.
emotion. It is
Okay. So in the
strongly
same way, I have to
correlated.
do. Okay. So in the same way, I have to do it for all the five items.
Yeah. So you can interpret.
And I don't have to do it for gender and age, both. So is my screen visible? Excuse me, so is my screen visible?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Dhanushi, your correlation table is visible on this
Okay, okay.
screen.
I thought maybe it's not like no visual or no or like I'm not
No,
audible or
no, the
something. So
correlation table is on the screen.
yeah, okay, okay. So I thought sir was saying something and my connection was interrupted or something.
Okay, sorry, Dhanushi.
No problem, sir. I thought I lost the connection.
Okay. So you will find that is the correlation very high. And when it is the calm and composed, and there you can find out the understanding emotion as well as the regulating emotion.
Yes, sir.
In this way, you can build up the theory also.
Okay,
Though
sir.
the sample size is very small, but still you can build up your theory.
Okay, sir.
If you
And so
find
while
the
in
correlation is very high, then definitely you can make your own theory. Gender, age, and gender, age will not be there. Total
okay,
will be
sir.
there. Based upon the
Okay.
total, you will find that is the two values. One is the understanding emotion, another one is the regulating emotion. So these
Okay,
two
sir.
values, they are strongly correlated in comparison with the other items,
Okay.
other variables. And that is theoretically sound. So you will find lot of the research studies where they have given importance on the regulation of the emotion and understanding of the emotion. In case of the emotional intelligence, you will find, and emotional control definitely will find.
Okay, sir. So, sir, in the last part, that is the total item correlation.
Yeah,
Almost all the items are highly correlated.
yeah. And out of them, you will find that two items.
Two items are strongly
Uh,
correlated.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So now you can propose some, not the propose, you can relate the earlier studies,
Yes, sir.
and that will increase your marks.
Okay, sir. So, shall I ask something?
Sure.
Yeah. So, sir, you said that I have to make the table like the one Farah ma'am showed,
Yeah, please you follow.
and so I'll make that table including this table and the
No,
descriptive
no, this table is
statistics.
not required.
Okay,
Now
even the
these
descriptive.
tables are not required.
Okay,
Only
so
you
I'll
will
make.
take only one table, and your interpretation discussion is important.
Okay, so shall I also remove these following tables?
Yeah, these tables are not required.
Okay, sir. And so what about this graph? I was not able
Yeah,
to interpret.
graph you can use.
So could you
graph
please
you
go through
can
this
use.
interpretation which I wrote about the graph, if that's okay?
And this is the box whisker plot.
Yes, sir.
You will find lot of the outliers also there.
So the fourth item has the maximum outliers.
Yeah. So now, if you show this graph, that means you have to tell that is in near future, I will collect more data and I will remove the outliers.
Okay.
That
So
is the limit.
while
Yeah, so that is the limitation of your research. In the discussion part, you can write down the limitation of your research.
the small sample size.
Yeah, small sample size. Because if you remove the outliers,
So
then
while interpreting this graph, how do I interpret the outliers? Like what does those outliers signify?
no, if you want to graph, then you have to tell that is this is the box whisker plot. So the box size indicates the number of people, okay, who possess the score. And if the whisker is very long, in case of the lower side, that means relatively, the whisker is long, and you will find that is the below the median. Okay, so this box, manage emotion. So manage emotion, this is long one. So below the median, you will find many people are there. That means the teachers have difficulty in managing the emotion. Okay. But more number of people, they are above the median in case of understanding emotion. So they are thinking, that is understanding emotion is very important.
Okay. And so in item 1, 3, and 5, can we say that the equivalent number of participants are able to manage their, like they are calm and composed and are healthily coping and regulating their emotions
Yeah, so they are giving this value.
moderately.
Yeah. So it is related to the value.
Okay. So one more thing, if I'm putting on this graph, do I also need to put the gender table and the gender graph?
No,
Because
gender
earlier
table
we
is
said
not
that it is not.
required.
Okay, then if I'm not making the gender table, the gender graph is also not
No,
required.
no, because you have not found any relation between the gender and the your
The emotional control values.
correct.
Okay, so I don't even have to mention that there is a weak correlation between gender and age with
It
in
is not the
context.
correlation. Correlation not. It should be the t-test, mean difference.
Yes, independent t-test.
Yes, independent t-test.
So I don't have to mention that it was insignificant.
Yeah, that you can mention.
Okay.
I completed independent t-test and I have not.
The result was not significant. That is why it was,
Yeah, I
the further
merged the
analysis
data.
was not done.
Yeah, I merged the data.
Okay. Okay, sir. So
And
anything else that
my suggestion, please you thoroughly study the emotional control related literature,
Okay, sir.
especially for the teachers.
Okay, sir.
Then that will help you to discuss the result.
Okay, sir.
So in the result section, there will be the descriptive statistics and the
Yes, sir.
correlation statistics. And in the discussion, you have to give priority on the relative importance of the values. Similarly, relative importance of the item total correlation
Okay, sir.
and inter-item correlation also. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Very
thank
much
you.
clear now. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Nishu, do you like to add something?
No, sir.
Sir, if I may ask,
Sure.
in the box whisker plot, there was no whisker in the one of the items, the understanding emotion.
Yeah, that means the teachers gave maximum priority on this particular value.
Okay. So, sir, what does the absence of one of the whisker represent? That most number of the participants are above median. That's it, or something else?
Yeah. So maximum means basically the median value.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Nishu, do you want to share your data?
Sir, I won't be able to share today.
What
Actually,
happened?
my laptop is not working. I can try to share.
Okay, Shima, now you can share.
Sir, before ma'am shares, I just want to ask one thing that since we were gonna be taught how to convert the table to APA format, are we done with that part already? Because I joined a few minutes late.
I cannot follow. What are you telling?
सर आज हमें बताना था ना कि एपीए फॉर्मेट में कैसे करते हैं टेबल को
वो तो एक्सेल में चला जाइए,
हाँ जी
इसके
वो
बाद
मैंने
एक्सेल
मिस
में
कर दिया थोड़ा सा
आपको टेबल बना
ओके
जैसे जैसे फाड़ा मैडम किया है.
ओके आई मिस्ड दैट पार्ट
Hello.
This is Shima.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is this male and female?
So this is the demographic characteristics of participants. I made the changes which you have to which you told me to do in demographic, and I removed one subject.
Achha, it will not be
So
the
my total N
ecology.
is
It will be the locality.
okay.
Capital.
Okay, sir.
School type. Not the school. School type. Okay. Next.
Then the pie chart related to the percentage of the variables.
The same variable, na? This demographic variable.
G. And
Uh,
after that, I have to add the table. I just stop my work just because of you are going to tell the APA format of table. Because I have done the space analysis in last class with you. So I have to add that now I will do the accordingly.
no, this is your pie chart. This is not the SPSS.
Yes, sir. Regarding demographic variable. Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is okay. But when you are presenting the
Okay.
correlation matrix, then you have to give the mean and standard
Then I
deviation.
will. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the practice. But can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me why this is the practice?
Means
Why this is the practice?
we
Why mean and
can
ST?
put the right thing.
No.
Sir, to particularly to see the variation.
Yeah, the correlation coefficients can be easily affected by the outliers.
Yes,
So
sir.
the high standard deviation indicates the existence of outliers.
Sir, can I share my one SPSS output file
Yeah, you have to follow the
regarding
format
JSS?
that just now Farah has shown.
Okay.
Then
Okay, sir.
it will be easy to interpret. Just like I
Okay,
have
sir.
interpreted Dhanushi's paper.
Okay. Sir, should I stop share my screen?
Yeah, you can stop share. Hello, Poonam. Okay, Poonam still is not available. So I think I have discussed all the issue or anything left.
Hello.
Yes, Shima.
Sir, I have one question. Like regarding first we check whether we can apply our tool on our population. Then we have done the correlation of the total score of that scale and the particular item. Okay.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
So do I need to put these tables for correlation in our project, or we can use the running material regarding the item and the total correlation, the values only?
Yeah, the item total correlation you can indicate.
Okay, because in OHQ I have 65 items and there is a huge table regarding
Oh, acha,
correlation.
acha. Okay,
That's
okay.
why I'm asking.
Okay. Then you can write this is the Cronbach's alpha, and based
Okay,
upon that we can understand what will be the internal consistency level.
okay.
That is possible.
Sir, it is also possible that there are 6 or 7 domains of OHQ. So, can we present the total like coping total and with the OHQ total and organizational
Yeah,
identification with the.
definitely. Instead
Okay,
of the
okay,
item,
okay.
the total score
Yes,
will
yes.
be there.
Okay, okay. Then I can present the correlation table because the rows and columns will be less.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I think no more question is there.
So I had this question about the hypothesis making.
There is no hypothesis here
Yeah, that is what I was asking. That I
because it
had
is
written.
simple. It is a simple description of the data. So you are not making any hypothesis. There is no two groups. Nothing is there.
So I just need to write the objective, no hypothesis, right?
No, you will write to examine the emotional control value of the college teachers.
Yeah, I've written that only in the objective section.
That is okay. But there should not be any hypothesis.
Yes, sir.
It is exploratory type. Just you have explored based
Got it,
upon
sir.
this limited data. In future, you will collect more data and then you can suggest something, or you can compare the teacher data with another set of data. For example,
Okay.
Subrata collected data from the nurses. So Subrata can compare the nurses' work family conflict value and the teacher's work family conflict value, whether it is same, whether it differs.
Okay, sir. So actually, I thought that since we were following the proper report format, that is why I just asked.
Yeah, it is a simple training.
Okay, got it, sir.
Only
Thank
the
you.
2 months training. Okay, good night, everybody. So I am closing now.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night, Dhanushi, Shima, Poonam, Twinkle, Farah.